Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Trendy Investor. Here I'm gonna show how you can make money online with simple steps. Here I upload the videos on weekly basis. So hit that subscribe button and notification bell icon so that I can reach the videos to you as soon as I upload the video. Here I'm gonna show a website where you can earn money online to a website, and I will guarantee you will make at least $10 from it. So let's get started. So this is the website I was talking about. The link is in description. So here you can join to this website by using Gmail and by password and creating a account in it. So let's get going. So this is the website where you can paid service cash offers, where you will get the points from it, and add on task. You can also refer from it to the other persons, to your friends or any other persons. And this is forum, and you can also ask help and add-ons. Here you can find how many tasks you finished it, the task surveys and offers and bonuses which you received from it. And these are the links to go to the surveys and offers, and there are many offers in it, and tasks and affiliates, and to cash out the that offers which you get from that. Here just to show the one ads offers from it. And the main thing is that you must get paid rate, uh, and here it is. You can cash out to Pioneer, PayPal, or Reward India, or from Skrill. I want to suggest that you, if you're a foreign resident, use PayPal, and if you're Indian, use Reward India or Skrill. Till then, use that website and get paid from it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.